Visit us at Eduvvo. Thank you for calling Eduvvo.
In this video, we will see how to upgrade Flutter to latest version. So let's get started. First go to search and search for cmd command prompt, run as administration, press yes and write here Flutter upgrade. Press enter, then wait for upgrading. If there is no issue, then upgrade will be automatically started. Else you have to write Flutter upgrade space manage force. Hit enter, it will automatically start upgrading our Flutter SDK to latest version.